Camp Nou is changing faster than ever, and this week's progress is impossible to ignore. The stadium's iconic ceramic facade continues to expand. The mobility cores are taking on their final appearance, major work inside the VIP ring is moving ahead, and the latest floodlight and LED lighting tests are giving fans a glimpse of what the finished stadium will look like. So, let's take a closer look at every major construction update from Camp Nou. Work on the south goal mobility cores continues to make impressive progress as more decorative ceramic lamellas are being installed across the central facade. Crews are carefully fitting maroon, purple, and gray ceramic panels into place, starting from the lower sections before gradually working upward. Because of the complex design around the galvanized facade panels, several custom-sized lamellas are also being installed to ensure a perfect fit. As more of these ceramic elements are added, the south goal facade is rapidly taking on its final architectural appearance. Significant progress is also visible on the mobility cores, where workers continue installing sandwich panels around the elevator and staircase shafts. More sections of the exterior have now been enclosed, while concrete facade panels have also been completed in several areas. These installations are an important step before the remaining ceramic cladding can be added, and the mobility cores are now beginning to look much closer to their finished design. Inside the second-level VIP ring, interior construction continues at a rapid pace. The curtain wall glazing is now almost fully installed, while crews are completing aluminum framing and building the internal partitions for the future hospitality suites. Rock wool insulation is being added for acoustic performance. The installation of the new floodlighting system on the third tier continues to move forward. Several floodlight support structures have already been completed, while additional mounting platforms remain in place for the remaining units. At the same time, temporary structural supports beneath the Tribuna are gradually being removed, reflecting the steady progress of the upper stadium structure. These works are bringing the third-tier lighting system closer to becoming fully operational. Another exciting milestone has been reached as the stadium's exterior LED lighting system successfully underwent additional testing. The facade displayed dynamic lighting effects featuring blue, purple, and red color transitions rather than simple static illumination. These successful tests demonstrate the advanced lighting capabilities that will allow Camp Nou to create spectacular visual displays during matches and special events once the renovation is complete. Construction also continues to advance at the north goal mobility cores. Crews have expanded the installation of sandwich panels into the upper sections above the pedestrian walkways, while additional concrete facade panels continue to be fitted around the structure. Materials remain staged throughout the area as workers prepare for the next phase of enclosure work. Once these installations are completed, the north goal cores will be ready for the continued installation of their decorative ceramic facade. The stadium's overall floodlight infrastructure is now approaching its final stages. Most of the permanent floodlight structures have already been installed, with only a small number of components still awaiting completion. As work continues on the remaining installations and final adjustments, another major part of Camp Nou's modernization is steadily moving toward completion, bringing the stadium one step closer to being fully match-ready. Installation of the lamella support system continues beneath the cantilever as crews work on completing the remaining structural framework before the ceramic facade can expand further. Several connector pieces that link the vertical support frames have already been installed, while a few upper sections are still missing these components. Once the remaining connectors are secured, workers will be able to begin installing the lamella anchor brackets, bringing this section one step closer to receiving its ceramic facade. Work also remains active around the cantilever, where multiple elevated work platforms continue operating along the underside of the structure. Crews are carrying out finishing work on the steel beams and surrounding structural elements while preparing additional areas for upcoming installations. Although there are no major structural additions visible at the moment, steady progress continues as workers complete the final preparation work across this level. The lateral diamond continues advancing with structural and concrete preparation works. Reinforcement activities are progressing inside the upper portion of the diamond while surrounding formwork remains in place. Nearby, additional formwork panels have been installed, and one remaining floor section is still waiting for its concrete pour after reinforcement mesh was completed. At the opposite lateral diamond, workers have also started removing the temporary formwork following the successful curing of the concrete, marking another important milestone in this construction phase. The lateral mobility core is now entering its final preparation stage before ceramic lamella installation begins. Crews were seen painting the structural steel platform in front of the elevator shafts after completing the alignment of the lamella anchor system in previous days. With these finishing works now underway, the entire mobility core appears to be approaching the same installation phase already seen at the south goal, where ceramic lamellas are now being mounted. Installation of the ceramic lamellas beneath the false ceiling in the north goal corner continues to progress at a strong pace. During the latest visit, another lamella was lifted into position using specialized lifting equipment, while previously installed rows now cover most of the ceiling area. Only a limited number of rows remain unfinished, and once these final sections are completed, this entire false ceiling will present a nearly continuous ceramic finish across the corner. Preparation work also continues around the north goal mobility core, where the entire exterior structure has now been painted and appears ready for sandwich panel installation. However, one lower row of lamella support frames is still missing, preventing crews from installing the anchor brackets for the ceramic facade. Once these remaining supports are completed, work can immediately move into the next installation phase. Beneath the cantilever, crews continue preparing the service routes that will eventually house the stadium's mechanical systems. Protective safety netting remains installed throughout the work area, while preparations continue for the installation of service pipes running underneath the cantilever. Although no major pipe sections have been installed yet in this area, the supporting infrastructure is steadily being prepared for the next phase of construction. The Tribuna compression ring continues making steady progress as another compression ring box has now been installed, extending the structure even closer to the next radial beam. Additional radial beams, support columns, and temporary support towers are already positioned and ready for lifting, allowing crews to continue assembling the remaining sections without delay. At the current pace, the compression ring is expected to move significantly closer to the tower crane area over the coming weeks. Work on the Tribuna mobility cores remains focused on exterior finishing and facade preparation. The upper mobility cores are already enclosed with sandwich panels, while crews continue preparing the remaining lower sections before lamella support installation begins. Although ceramic lamellas have not yet reached this area, the ongoing finishing work indicates that the Tribuna mobility cores are gradually moving toward the next major facade installation stage. Construction continues advancing across every major section of Camp Nou, with ceramic lamella installation expanding, mobility cores moving closer to completion, the false ceiling progressing rapidly, and the compression ring steadily approaching another major milestone. Each completed phase brings the stadium one step closer to its final appearance.